very popular recipe during fasting. Puri is made up of buckwheat or kuttu atta and is served with simple and delicious potato curry. Let's begin by making the curry. In a pan, heat ghee or clarified butter. Next, cumin or jeera. The seeds have spluttered. Now add some green chilies, handful of curry leaves. Roast for a few seconds and then add tomatoes. Mix well. Add sindha namak. Mix it. Cover and cook at medium flame for 6 to 7 minutes. The tomatoes are well cooked. Next, add coriander powder, red chili powder, amchur. Mix well and cook for 2 minutes. Add boiled and chopped potatoes. Mix nicely so that the potatoes are well coated. Add water as per the consistency you like. To make a thick gravy, mash few potatoes. Everybody has their own rules for fasting. If you don't use any of the items which I am using in this recipe, then feel free to leave it. It shouldn't make much difference. Simmer for 7 to 8 minutes at medium flame. Add coriander leaves, a final stir, and switch off the flame. Our aloo ki sabzi is ready. Now let's make the dough for the puris. Take buckwheat, kuttu or Phaphra atta, boiled and grated potatoes, coriander leaves, sindha namak or fasting salt. Next, cumin or jeera. Combine all these nicely. Then add water and make a soft dough. Make small balls out of the dough. Sprinkle some dry flour and then roll it into a circle. Buckwheat is gluten free, so it's a bit tough to roll it. You can see we have got uneven sides. Using a bowl, I'm going to cut it into a perfect circle like this. Isn't it easy? This goes into hot oil. Push it lightly so that it puffs. Turn it and cook other side as well. Our crispy and soft puri is ready. Look-wise, these puris are not attractive, but believe me, it's healthy and tastes amazing. If you don't like frying, you can also cook on tawa to make a chapati or paratha. It tastes delicious. Take some grated paneer, coriander leaves. Press it lightly so that the paneer sticks. This is to make it attractive. Roll it. Cut it into a circle. And our roti is ready to cook. On a tawa, drizzle some ghee and place the roti. Some more ghee and then cook both sides until they are nicely golden brown. Our kuttu ki puri and roti is also ready. You can make this recipe in fasting like Navratri, Janmashtami. Sometimes I make it without any reason. Give this recipe a try and let me know your experience in the comment section. Call it buckwheat, kuttu or Phaphra. These are gluten-free, rich in fiber and higher in protein. Let's start with the recipe. We have heated a large vessel over here. Let's add 2.5 cups of water in the pan. Sindha namak or rock salt will allow the water to come to a boil. So the water has come to a boil. Let's add the buckwheat. It's also called kuttu or Phaphra. Mix it. We'll cover with the lid and allow it to cook until the buckwheat is soft and the water is dried off. Let's check our buckwheat. So it is cooked properly. I have transferred the buckwheat into a bowl and I'll allow it to cool for some time. Let's add oil to it. So our oil is hot. Let's add the tempering, that is jeera. Stir it. So the tempering is ready. Let's add grated ginger to it, chopped green chilies and curry leaves. Stir it and cook for a few seconds. Next goes in our vegetables, chopped potatoes, chopped carrots, salt. We had already put salt while cooking the buckwheat. So now I have just added a little bit for the veggies. Give it a mix. Let's cover it with the lid and allow the vegetables to cook completely. Let's check the vegetables. So it's half cooked. Let's add the tomatoes in it. Here I have one tomato chopped. Stir it. Let's cover it with the lid and cook for another 5 minutes. I have taken some roasted peanut and blended it into a coarse powder. Let's add it to the buckwheat. 1 teaspoon of black pepper and lime juice. Give it a mix so that the buckwheat is well coated with the peanut powder. Let's check our vegetables. So the vegetables are well cooked. Let's add the buckwheat to it. Mix it properly. Again, we will cover the lid and allow it to simmer for 2 minutes. Let's sprinkle coriander leaves. Give it a light mix. And our buckwheat khichdi is ready to be served. Let's serve it. Let's garnish it with roasted peanuts and coriander leaves. So the Navratri special buckwheat khichdi is ready to eat. It is so tasty that we can eat it at any time. Let's get started. Here I have taken sabudana, which is washed and soaked for 2 hours. Let's put the sabudana in a large bowl. Boiled and mashed potatoes, grated ginger, chopped coriander leaves, chopped raisins, roasted and crushed peanuts. Let's add the seasoning, sindha namak or fasting salt, crushed black pepper and lemon juice. Let's give it a good mix. So our sabudana mixture is ready. Let's take 2 spoons of this mixture in our hand. We will make small vadas out of it. In this way, we will prepare the other vadas. We have prepared all the vadas. Now let's fry them. We have heated a pan with vegetable oil in it. Our oil is hot. Now let's fry the vadas. Make sure that the oil is hot, otherwise the vadas will absorb the oil. Let's flip the vadas. We can see the vadas have got a beautiful golden color. Let's take them out on a paper towel.